Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fade an image in Canva. Let's get into it. First, pick the picture you want to change. The first step is to open your design and find the exact image you want to make see-through. You need to tell the computer which item you are working on before you can change how it looks. Click once on the image you want to fade. Look for the thin purple line that appears around the edges of the photo to show it is picked. Because the tool needs to know which part of your page you want to fix, you have to click the picture so that the special settings for that photo show up at the top of your screen. Without this step, the computer won't know which image you are trying to change, and the fade tool will stay hidden. Next, find the fade button. You need to look at the top of your screen for the small icon that controls how clear your items are. Look for the small picture that looks like a checkerboard fading away. Move your mouse over the icons at the top until you see the word that talks about how see-through the item is. It takes you straight to the control you need. This button is the only way to make your picture less solid. It ensures you don't waste time looking through the other menus for colors or shapes, allowing you to jump straight into making your picture look faded. Next, move the slider to fade. Now you are going to use the sliding bar to choose exactly how much of the picture you can see through. Click on the slider and move it to the left to make the picture disappear. Watch the image on your page as you move the bar from 100 down to a lower number. It lets you pick the perfect look for your design. By moving the bar, you are deciding if you want the picture to be just a little bit light or almost invisible. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure your background doesn't hide your important messages. And that's it. To fade a picture in Canva, you must first click on the image to select it. Then, you find the checkerboard icon at the top of the screen. Next, you move the slider to the left to make the image see-through. Finally, you check your design and save your work. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.